Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 3 power x times 5 power x to the power of 2 equal to 15. Now 3 power x times of 5 to the power of x to the power 2 equal to 15 can be written as 5 times of 3. Now divide by 5 on both sides. 5 here, 5 here. This 5 cancels this. So we have 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x to the power of 2 by 5 equal to 3. We are going to divide by 3 to the power of x on both sides. 3 power x by 3 power x. This cancels, so we have 5 power x to the power of 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 3 power x. Considering here 1 in the power, m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. We are going to implement here and here. So 5 power x to the power of 2 minus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Now take a log on both sides. Log 5 power x to the power of 2 minus 1 equal to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. We know the log power formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here and here. X to the power of 2 minus 1 times log 5 equal to 1 minus x times log 3. X to the power of 2 minus 1 times log 5 equal to 1 minus x times log 3. In this equation we are going to divide by log 5 on both sides. Log 5 log 5. Put log 5 cancels this. So we have x square minus 1 equal to 1 minus x times log 3 by log 5. Now x square minus 1 equal to minus x minus 1 log 3 by log 5. Now consider here it is 2. So we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So x plus 1, x minus 1 equal to minus x minus 1 log 3 by log 5. We are going to take this left hand side. So x plus 1, x minus 1 plus x minus 1 log 3 by log 5. We are going to take common out x minus 1 is x minus 1 from this equation. So x minus 1 is the common out. Here x plus 1 plus log 3 by log 5 equal to 0 here, also here 0. We know that log a by log b equal to log a base b. X minus 1, x plus 1 plus log 3 base 5 equal to 0. Here we have two equations. One is x minus 1 equal to 0. Other one is x plus 1 plus log 3 base 5 equal to 0. Here x equal to 1. This is the one solution. In this equation, x we are moving this right hand side, x equal to minus 1 minus log 3 base 5. Here x equal to, we are taking minus out, minus 1 plus log 3 base 5. In log 1 equal to log a base a. According to this, here we are going to change x equal to minus log 5 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. So x equal to minus log 5 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. We know that log product formula, log a plus log b equal to log a times b. We are going to implement this here. X equal to minus log 5 times of 3 base 5. So x equal to minus log 5 times of 3 is 15 base 5. This is the solution. So we have two solutions. One is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to minus log 15 base 5. These are the two possible solutions for the